which he stated were relevant, particularly order dated, which was the questions?
21st April 2011.
Particularly order dated 21st April 2011, which he states that contain the questions which need to be addressed and answered by this court. Full stop. He has also pointed out order dated in the same order, in the same order, a number of MIK were appointed, and amongst those, and a number of whom have passed away. And some are indisposed. However, Mr. Ali Ahmed Kurd, one of the MIKs, is present in court and on our query stated that he will assist the court. Full stop. In view of the fact that the matter before us involves significant and important. There is representation on behalf of Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan by Associate Counsel, who states that Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan is also ready to render assistance. Full stop. Since to fill the lacuna left by amicus earlier appointed, it would be appropriate to appoint further amicus, and in this regard, Mr. We consider that the points that require consideration are both constitutional, are first and foremost constitutional, particularly attending to the scope of powers under Article 186, the scope of Article 186 of the Constitution, and the nature of opinion that could be given. Full stop.